They said it might rain today. I said, cool, as long as it's raining cheese and windmills. Hey, welcome back to my channel. Mission for the day is to survive the Dutch weather, find the best cheese, and maybe adopt a chicken. Let's go! Welcome to Zaandam, where time slows down, the air smells like cocoa, and even the clouds look aesthetic. Even the rain couldn't stop me from chasing fairy tales today. So grab your virtual umbrella and let's explore one of the prettiest corners of the Netherlands. Windmills, green wooden houses, canals. It looked like someone built an old Dutch fairy tale and never took it down. And look at this. Even from the bridge, the view is unreal. I don't care if it rains all day. This is worth every drop. This right here is where it all began. The first ever Albert Heijn store. Just a small wooden shop started in 1887 by one man with an idea. And look at it now, one of the biggest supermarket chains in the Netherlands. It's crazy how something so big can start from something this small. You don't need perfect timing or the perfect plan, You just need to start because everything, every dream, every journey, every success story begins exactly like this small, simple, and brave. So, if you've been waiting for a sign to start that thing you've been putting off, this is it. Every corner of Zaanse Schans looks like a fairy tale. The houses are straight out of a children's book, painted green with white rims, all lined up along canals. And the locals, they're adorable. We met a chicken that looked like it walked right out of a cartoon, some lazy sheep, and a dog who clearly runs the place. Next up, the wooden shoe workshop, or as the Dutch call them, klompen. These klompen are such an iconic Dutch symbol, but they actually go way back like 800 years back. The first pair of wooden clogs was found in Rotterdam from the 1200s and they were built for function, not fashion. Farmers, fishermen, and laborers wore them because they were waterproof, sturdy, and lasted forever. Basically, the OG safety boots before steel toes were cool. Every region even had its own design, wider ones for fields, narrow ones for boats, and for special occasion, they'd hand paint them in bright colors and patterns. It's amazing how something so simple became part of daily Dutch life. We actually got to attend a live demonstration, and it was so fascinating watching a plain block of wood being transformed into a shoe in just minutes. Nowadays, you will still see them everywhere, not on people's feet, but in homes, gardens, and shops. They've become part of Dutch identity, a little reminder of their roots and craftsmanship. I mean, they're kind of adorable. If wooden shoes ever make a comeback, I'm totally in. Comfort was questionable, but style was not that bad. And of course, the stars of Zaandam, the windmills. These windmills aren't just for the views. Back in the 17th and 18th centuries, this region had over 600 of them. They powered the Dutch Golden Age quite literally. They were the world's first industrial machines, the reason the Netherlands became a trading powerhouse. Today, only a handful remain in Zaanse Schans, carefully restored and still turning, powered by the same wind that's been blowing across these fields for centuries. Each windmill here has its own little world. One makes handmade soaps, another grinds spices, another sells Miffy everything. It's like every door hides a surprise. And now we are at the cheese factory, and honestly, I'm so excited. Watching the process was fascinating. Fresh milk gets curdled, pressed, and aged into those huge golden wheels we all recognize. Every wheel is then carefully shaped by hand, and some are left to age for months, and some for even years until they reach that perfect flavor. And then came the best part, tasting. And oh boy, we tried a lot of cheese. From mild and creamy to sharp and tangy. It was basically a cheese buffet for the soul. Honestly, I could have stayed here all day just sampling. After all that cheese, it was time for something little sweeter. The cocoa factory. And yes, I got to make my very own hot chocolate. Thick, rich, and absolutely decadent. Here's the secret formula. And yes, I followed it exactly like the experts here. Step 1: 2 full spoons of rich cocoa powder, 2 spoons of sugar because life is too short for bitter chocolate. Next, add 2 small shot glasses of water and mix it well until it forms a smooth chocolatey paste. Already smelling amazing. Step 4: pour in the hot milk and then the marshmallows and a swirl of whipped cream on top. This is the kind of cocoa that makes rainy days magical. One sip and I was officially in Zaandam heaven. I swear, Zaandam is straight out of a fairy tale. Cozy houses, the smell of cocoa, and cheese everywhere, and those windmills still doing their thing after hundreds of years. If you made it this far, you deserve some cheese too. But since I can't mail it to you, how about a subscribe instead? Hit that like button, drop me a comment about your favorite part, and subscribe for more adventures, one fairy tale at a time. Dot scenes, Sandam.